Thank you.
Wow.
Whoa! Almost fell over there. All right. Ladies and gents, welcome to another vlog. I almost fell over trying to rev my bike for some strangers. That's how it is, though. That's how life is. Those folks are going camping. That's pretty cool. Whole family camping trip from New York City. And I was like, yeah, I'm from fucking Brooklyn, fam. Williamsburg. Very cool. Alright, so I got some beers. And I've been riding for the last 150 some miles. And now it's the last few. And I just got gas. I literally got the ranch down to 2 miles, right? 2 miles left on the tank, apparently. And I only put in 2.5 gallons. Or like, oh no, 3.2 gallons. 3.2 gallons. So that means there's still 0.3 gallons left in the bike somewhere. Which is good for, yeah, no, at least 15 miles. I guess that's the reserve. And now I'm gonna chill with my mom and sister. Very much excited. Very exciting. I gotta install this spotlight that's I'm gonna take care of now. I gotta watch MotoGP, sprint race in France, the circuit of Ducati, Le Mans. And then I'm gonna do whatever my mom and sister wanna do. Probably go visit some friends, go to a restaurant. Whatever it is. Ooh, little washout there. Jeez. The rains must have been nuts. Some flooding. Look. 80. How's the speed limit 55 here? I don't know. Savagery. Savagery. Look at this. Beautiful. Everybody's camping, everybody's chilling. Life is good. I dig it. Haven't been here damn near 3 weeks. There we go. I love the little backfire thing. A lot of gravel here. Obviously there was a lot of water. A lot of water around here. Bike. It's a Ducati. Definitely hear this all the way from the house. earplugs are so good. I was riding with earplugs for the last 3 hours, and this is the only like last 15 minutes that I take them out. Forgot how windy it is and how loud it is. And there we are, boys and girls. We made it. Finally. A small little visit to the country, baby.